Crafts that make kids smile. Flashlight scene craft. Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a flashlight scene using a Ziploc bag and some paper and some markers. And here's how it works. You can see there's the raccoon, there's the spider, there's the moon, some stars, a bat, an owl, there's a mouse, and a firefly, and lastly a skunk. I decided to do a nighttime scene to show you some nocturnal animals. You can do this scene with anything that you would like. You can do a beach scene, you can do an outdoor scene at a campfire. You could do the nighttime scene that I did with some of these animals. This can be done in so many different ways, and I'm going to show you how it works. What you need is a Ziploc bag. The gallon size works best. And all you do is draw your scene onto your paper. I used some permanent markers to draw the scene originally. You can draw whatever you want on that scene. Once you're finished with the scene on the one side, notice how one side is colored but the other side is not. Once you draw that one scene, you get a black piece of construction paper, and you put that black piece of construction paper into the gallon size bag, so it kind of looks like a nighttime scene already. And then what I did is I have cardstock here where I drew a actual flashlight. You can draw it however you'd like. This is how the flashlight looks. I drew the flashlight and then I colored in the middle yellow and added blue. You can add any color you'd like, but this section here stays white, and that is where the flashlight shines through. So this is what you will end up with your end result. Then all you do is stick this in above the black paper. You don't want to put it behind the black paper because then you can't see the white. And then you just pretend to go through your scene and find some of the nighttime creatures in your gallon Ziploc bag that you can find through the night. So I look forward to having you try this. It's a really fun craft to do with any age kids. And you can even do your name. You can do whatever you'd like just to be able to make your scene go from dark to light. And it's a really fun craft to do on a rainy day or when you're just bored sitting around. So hopefully you enjoy this craft. It's a flashlight scene, and you will be the reason that someone smiles today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Crafts that make kids smile.